Hello, Eric. So I think what I'm going to do here, I've got a version 5.1 card, and I've got your new image in Boots, and I'm going to send you this version 5.1 card with the new 32 gig image, and I'll trust you to send me back that version 5.1 card that you've had for a few years. So I had a customer, I did the same thing, but what it does for us is it keeps us sane because this card and the custom XML file matches the footprint of the 4 hard drive image that I have here and the apps on the 32 gig card. And I just uploaded a how to configure scsi2sd cards for anybody out there that's still using them. I had made the video last year, but it was cockaroo. It was 90 degrees, so it was, instead of it being landscape view, it was portrait. So I went ahead and sent that one back. Now I am selling the new Zulu 2.0 cards as well as the Blue SCSI 2.0 cards. And the configuration is quite a bit different than these earlier scsi2sds. And I've got NeXTSTEP up and running on those, and you'll see videos of those as well. But Eric and many other customers, when you have a corrupt card, it's a little bit more difficult to restore. I was able to do that, make a clean image for him. And instead of just sending him the card back where it might not match the footprint, if that makes sense, of the custom XML file that he has, I've sold hundreds of these. So it's going to be easier if I send this card out with the little SD all configured. He just plugs in and goes and sends me back his. And it helps the community go around. I trust him on that. 99% of Next customers over the past 30 years have been honest. And it's a real pleasure working with everybody. And I really appreciate everybody's business and patience. I think this is the best way to go. Also, I've been working, you can see my little YouTube, I'm uploading all kinds of videos, and here's that little login screen. So I've got the custom login screen, and then this was the other version. I think we're going to do this version, where it's a little bit wider, it goes edge to edge, but I've now figured out how to use... Instead of third-party software, I could use the original Next software templates and add in custom logos. And Bella's meowing at me, my cat, because it's late again. But it is 1:23 a.m. I've been going at it all day, and a lot of projects on deck, so I am making headway. I was spinning my wheels for a while. Some days go like that. But I am getting some projects done and out the door. And I just wanted to show you this little SCSI card. Daniel, I've got that sound box as well. That's going to be going today. And hopefully I can get some other stuff. Yeah, Gilles, I got a bunch of stuff that I'm packing up for you. And stay tuned. More to come. Dan, I'm going to upload a video of the Daydream box I found for you. And have a good day.